What's up, YouTube? It's Chris from Chris Glides and Low Rise, and today I'm installing the Harley-Davidson front LED turn signals. They were pretty bright in the showroom, and I can't wait to see how they're gonna look when I install them on this 2023 Harley-Davidson Road Glide 3. Today I'm gonna install the Harley-Davidson LED front signature turn signal inserts inside the 2023 Harley-Davidson Road Glide 3. And this is the part number 678-01148. Okay, so in the package, it comes with a set of instructions, and it comes with two well-protected and wrapped LED turn signal inserts. And one of the first things you want to do before you take off your old ones is inspect the lights, make sure that they're not damaged or broken, because if you take the other ones off first and these are damaged and broken, then you just wasted yourself a little bit of time. So my lights that I have in there are good to go. I'll be replacing them with these. And as you can see on the instructions, the skill level is a 1 wrench job, and the time that it estimates to take is 15 minutes. Next, you want to remove your old lights. Just took the cover off. I have a tool that I use for gunsmithing that's also good for removing different things from the bike that I need to reach. And these are just some LED lights that I got that I purchased off Amazon. And I'm just getting behind here and pulling these out. They attach the same type of way. And I'm gonna push and turn, and they come out just like that. If you see grease in there, inside there, or on here, that's called dielectric grease. It's perfectly safe, and its purpose is to provide grease in areas that could get water and become wet, and dielectric grease is actually protective. So when you're installing these, you want to look at the tabs on the side. You have one that's slightly down and one that's all the way up, and that's going to correspond to how you insert it on the inside of the hole there. Just look inside there and install. You want to push in and then turn. So in this situation, I have a tab on the right that's slightly off, that's slightly back, and then a tab on the left that's slightly forward. I'm gonna push in and simply turn to the right, which is clockwise. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and push the wires back a little bit, and it shows a sticker on there that says this side up, and it's just gonna go in. Need 2 hands. I put my cell phone down. Okay, so I have the right side done, and what I'm doing is checking around the edges here to make sure that all of the light itself is pushed in all the way around. So if you see any gaps, you want to push in on that side a little bit more. It's better to use 2 hands, put a hand behind here and brace this, and then push that with your other hand so that you can support the back of this light without, I mean, it's bolted in, but you want to always just use 2 hands when doing this. So that one's on there, and then you want to remove the sticker. All right, now just do the same to the other side. I have that off. So one of the things you could do is you could look at this on how it goes, how it comes out. It's the same way it's gonna go in. You can see the one tab back there that's forward, and the other tab on this side that's back, and I'm gonna put the other one in the same way. It's my forward tab and my rear tab, and turn into the right. That's in there and secure, and then I'm gonna place this on just like I did the other side. And the final step you wanna do is test them out. Turning your bike on, and I could already see that they work. I'm trying to show you an angle where you can see the halo, and they're pretty bright, very bright, way brighter than the Amazon lights I just had on there. These are LED. I'll go ahead and test the turn signals. It's all good. And that side's good. Okay, so the install is complete. And these things are pretty bright. This is the product number again, the item number. These are LED front turn signals by Harley-Davidson. And that's gonna do it for this episode of Crystallizing Lowrides, and thanks for watching. Talk to you next time.